Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check the oil level and refill a little bit of oil of your Mini Cooper. First step, open the car hood. Use the lever inside the car to open it or to unlock it. After this, open the car hood by pressing the lever up. And now there it is. There is the engine. And on the left side with a yellow hat, this is the dipstick. Okay, first pull the dipstick out of the engine and clean it with a towel. Now we have to look a little bit. There it is. The end of the dipstick, there is a red arrow. And this has to come, or you have to push it back in position inside your engine. Now it's enough, and now pull it out. And now you're able to see the oil level. And as you can see, the oil level is under low. This is the low, and this is the high range. In this range, your oil has to be. In this case, it's not enough oil in the engine to lubricate it very well. Okay, let's refill some oil. Dipstick back in position and open the cover of your engine oil inflate area. That it is. Good job. Cool, as you can see. Now it's time to refill some oil. Use a funnel to refill the oil. We will need the oil and the funnel to get some oil inside the engine. Okay. Take care. The range between minimum and maximum is 1.5 until 1.75 liters. So now we have to get in a little bit of 300 milliliters. Okay, now fill it in. Gluk, 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 gluk. Oh, the oil is running. 5W40 oil. Put it inside your engine. Good job. Clean it, and job's done. Now give the engine a little bit time, and after this you are able to test the oil level again. Let's test it now. Pull the dipstick out and clean it. Dip it back in position, and after this extract it again. And if you extract it a second time, you are able to read the oil level or the oil level. And the oil level is, oh yeah, between minimum and maximum range. This is enough, as you can see. Do not overfill it over the maximum range because of damage. And do not let it go under the minimum range. So that it is. Now you're ready to go back on street again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.